Do you have a lurk command yet? If not, I'll show you how to make one. I have one, and all it does is play a little sound, and I want it to be a little bit more than that. I think what I want to do is every time somebody says lurk, I still want it to play the sound, and I'll show you what that is. But I also want it to put a random text, like I'm going somewhere, or obviously something goofy because I'm goofy. So that's the plan. Follow me along, and I'll teach you how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video. Come hang out with us on Twitch every Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday at 11 p.m. Eastern Time. Okay, so first step is I'm going to show you what my current lurk command does. Lurking in the shadows. So obviously a goofy little sound with Shia LaBeouf. But currently that's all it does. So I want to fancy it up a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually go to the command. I'll go open it. So you go to this command tab up here, and if you have not made one yet, you would click the plus button to add one, and then I'll just show you what mine is, and then once you create one, you just make it like I have it. Okay, so this is the lurk command. I have it obviously no cost. It's in Stream Chat. It's enabled all the time. I have mine currently in group of sound. Any of that is just customizable. You can do whatever you want with it. I have it set for permission for everybody because I do have a user cooldown of 5 minutes, so somebody's not constantly hitting the lurk over and over again. I get it once. So the sound file down here, this is what it plays. So I have a bunch of different sound files, but right now it's currently playing my lurk sound file. So what it's missing is the response. What I want to do is have this lurk response go look at a text file, and then the text file will just have a bunch of random stuff in it. So here I have my notepad, and this is where our lurk command is going to go look for stuff. It can't just be text, or at least I don't want it to be, because I want it to be able to pull up the user's name or something that they've done or whatever. And so the best thing to do is know what the variables are. And so there's a document which I will link down in the description. But it is this documentation right here. I mean, you can read the URL if you want, or you can just click on the link. Okay, you got to scroll pretty far down on this PDF to find all the parameters. And the one I'm specifically looking for is $username. So in my text file, I would put $username, and then something like went to eat dinner. Lame, but it's quick and easy. Maybe username went to sniff their laundry, or username had enough of dink. There we go. Username was fed up of Gina not being around. Something like that. I mean, we'll fill it up, but that's kind of the gist of what we're doing. So the next step, let's get that out of the way. So the next step is we need to save this. So we'll save as, let's put it in my documentation. I'm going to make a new folder and call it lurk. Why not? And then I will save it as a text file as lurk. So now I need to have the response of my lurk command go look at this file. So we will bring back up our parameters, and we will scroll about 2/3 of the way down the parameter list to where it says file reading parameters. And the one we want on this case is the read random line. So one thing you have to be very cautious about is there's a lot of these parameters that require parentheses or apostrophes or something, and some of them don't. And sometimes it's like, I don't know why it did or why it didn't. But this one does not require them. So you can see it is just read random line and then the file location. So I just type it in here, $read rand line. And then I need to go find my actual file. So my folder is that, and then lurk.txt. And honestly, that should be it. So submit that. I will go back to my console. And now when I type in lurk, not only does it play the sound, but it adds in Deacon Gina's was fed up of Gina not being around. So it picks a random line and throws it in chat. Now, obviously, this little tutorial was very, very basic. All it did was really show the random line command, which is a very good building block and something that I use on pretty much everything that I do. So what I'm going to go and these tutorials are going to be a bunch of simple things, and then we can build and teach you how to do my CADS game or my Codenames game, because it's all linked. And if you have anything of my stream that you think, hey, that's pretty cool, let me know, and I'll make sure to put a video out for it.
But I'm in charge of the nail.
Okay.
That's cool.
Be careful.
Yeah, try to hit me with it. See what happens. So the nail just bounced off you. Oh, wait. It's stuck in you.
That was rude.
That was fabulous. Come hit me with a hammer. I'm in the ground.
You know.
You gotta hit Y.
Oh, that's awesome.